Hello, Dr. Charles Livingston here. Today I wanted to show you a quick and easy way to give your morning coffee a little bit of a health boost using spices you probably already have laying around. Here I have some ground cinnamon, turmeric, cardamom, and vanilla, which are all fairly standard spices found in homes. Each of these has a strong flavor. It can really switch up your morning coffee while also adding a lot of health benefits to your daily routine. For example, cinnamon has been shown to decrease inflammation as well as provide antioxidants which are essential in preventing diseases such as heart disease. Turmeric is also great for inflammation, with many who suffer from arthritis already adding in a daily turmeric supplement to their diets for relief. And turmeric has a history of use as a digestive aid and immunity support supplement. Cardamom contains both antioxidants and fiber, which can lower cholesterol and support heart health. And let's not forget a favorite, vanilla. Not only is it delicious, giving your cup a slightly smooth sweetness, vanilla has antioxidants and has been linked to immune health. Vanilla also has been shown to have a calming effect on stress and anxiety. Each of these spices has a lot of other benefits as well. Sprinkling them into your coffee each morning can give you just an easy health boost without having to purchase anything out of the norm on your grocery list. Not to mention, if you pair these spices with our Lifeboost Pumpkin Spice Coffee, you got a cozy and healthy fall beverage right in your own home. Thanks for taking the time to watch this. Let's make it a fantastic day today. I'll talk to you soon.